there is a known limitation of the official Google Gemini's generative video node where we generate videos from users' text. Okay. But what if we really wanted to, generate a video from image? So this particular node can't do it, and there is no official, Google Gemini's node that can be do that particular image to video generation, at least for now. But what I'm, explaining to you guys is it is not a limitation of n8n itself. So it's just that there is not an official solution for this. That's it. But there is an API solution for it, which was clearly documented on top of, Google Gemini. So I read all the docs. And I simply created this particular image to video n8n automation pipeline. And before moving forward, so I would love to explain what exactly was happening over here. Okay. So first of all, we will be downloading the image by URL, and only some people may know. Some people will directly, pass the binary image to this particular video node. I mean, generate a video node and think, okay, it will simply grabs the image and simply understand what exactly, to generate. No, it doesn't works like that because direct binary data was not supported by any VO, Google's VO models. At least for now, it requires a perfect, base 64 string. So that's what we are going to do here. So after downloading this particular image, we are simply, converting that particular binary image data into a base 64 data. That's it. Okay. After that, we will be sending a HTTP request for this particular URL, and we will be using the official predefined, credentials, and we will be, you know, adding our own Gemini API, not the Vertex Gemini, pure Gemini AI Studio. Okay. And these are the configurations, and the body prompt goes here, and we will be giving the encoded base 64 image data over here. Okay. So that's how we will be sending the image to video, request from here. And as we all know, it will, video generation will takes time, right? So, and by the way, so whenever we simply send this particular request, it will give an operation ID. So here we will be filtering that operation ID, and we will be waiting for standard 45 seconds. And, you know, we can simply give, send a operational, query. Okay. So to know exactly, uh, the video was generated or not. So nothing fancy over here. So we will be passing the operation ID over here, and that's it. And we should be changing the, model ID based on that, based on the model that we gave over here too. I mean, whatever the model ID that we gave here, it should be reflect in this particular poll node. Okay. So don't just confuse. So nothing much, and it will give something, and we will be looking that, okay, if the video is generated, then it will be under generate video response and generate samples. So we will be just looking at, okay, if the array was not empty or not. So if it's not empty, okay, it will be going to download that particular video via URL. So let's see things in action. Okay, it simply downloaded the image over here as a binary, obviously. So we will be converting that binary image data to base 64, which is supported by VO model. So we simply sent a request, and it simply gave this particular operation ID. And obviously, we will be wait for 45 seconds over here. And after that, you know, we will be doing a toll request to check whether this particular operation was completed or not, or else it will loop back. Okay. It will loop back to the wait node, and we will be waiting for another 45 minutes. But luckily, this particular thing got success. So we can download this. That's it.